delays on the interstates. Metro police are working them as fast as they can, but they're at the mercy of wrecker trucks, which are maxed out today as a result of the weather. 24 north of town, just before Whites Creek Pike, we have a newer accident. Also 65 northbound at Old Hickory Boulevard. This has been the site for many accidents today, as is 65 on the south side of town. Very slow traffic all the way to the Alabama state line. That's once you get out of town, both on 24 eastbound as well. In the St. Thomas Hart Traffic Center, I'm Scooter.
Tennessee all the way out through central Oklahoma. So between Oklahoma City and Nashville, that's where we're seeing all types of precipitation. And that means we are finding snow, some rain, some sleet, even some freezing rain. And in Nashville right now it's a light snow, 26 degrees. Memphis, Tennessee, it's 32 degrees and some light rain, but certainly being at 32 degrees, very dicey conditions here. Those roadways are going to ice up, especially the bridge and overpasses. Little Rock, Arkansas, it's sleet, 28 degrees, and snow is flying across central parts of Oklahoma. In fact, we've had some heavy snowfall up around Tulsa, 26 degrees this past hour. Now, to the south, the weather is not quite on 114, and it's Channel 247. No matter where you find yourself, it's your Weather Channel, Sirius at XM Radio. We'll always be right here bringing weather to life.
This is the Weather Channel Radio Network, Sirius Channel 113 and XM Channel 247. Looking at the top weather stories this Friday evening, it is a major storm extending right across the West Coast region with a winter storm across parts of the Southern Plains, the upper Mississippi Valley, the lower Missouri Valley, into the Tennessee Valley, and eventually it's going to be heading off towards the eastern state out of Florida, where we're going to get some pretty good rain. This will do with the lake effect snow, so up across parts of upstate New York, that'll be easing off tonight. Generally cold air taking in through the overnight tonight, and then we're going to be dealing with some of the dangerous wind chill values approaching 35 below across the Adirondacks. The new 16 out restaurant is continued rain across northern California.
Here's your outdoor forecast. We've got winter storm warnings up right now from the Texas Panhandle all the way east into the mid-Atlantic. And that includes the Great Smokies along the Tennessee, North Carolina line. We're expecting 6 to 12 inches of snow today, and even heavier amounts at the highest elevations. The warmest it'll get in the Great Smokies today will be in the 40s, and tonight, with that snow, temperatures will plunge into the 20s. Now,